I guess we have all had this problem before. We have a charging cable and this happens to it. It gets all like that. So I'm going to attempt to solve it using some heat shrinkable tubes. Okay. These are different sizes. These are all red. I even have some that are different colors and different things. All right, so I'm gonna see if this works. Gonna live experiment. So I cut one off, and so it's supposed to go over like that. And I'm gonna use the stove to heat it up. It's supposed to use a heat gun, but I know that not everyone has a heat gun, and I don't have a heat gun. So I'm decided to use the stove, and if it works with the stove, it means anyone can do it. So here we go. So I got one that was nice and close enough for that, but it got this to deal with, so I'm going to try to squeeze it in there. And it's not exactly the easiest thing to do. I'm going to do two of these. One will be on my iPhone charger, and the other one will be on my Mac charger. So let's see. So I tried, and I did not succeed in getting this over there. It just was too tight. It got a little way through, and if I had other tools, I guess it might have. But so I'm gonna go with this one, which is a little bigger. It's easier to go over. So I'm gonna use this one. I prefer the white, but oh well. So I'm just gonna cut this like about like that, and then slide it over there. Okay, so we're just gonna cut this. That should be enough. And move that out of the way. And we're gonna slide this over here. Okay. All right. Okay. Don't want to snag the wire. It is giving me trouble. Let's see if I can get another tool to get it in there. This does not want to go in. So I'm going to try to use this to push it in a little bit. It's almost there. Okay, so I finally got it through, and I'm going to pull it down just a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to leave some of it on there for reinforcement, but I don't want to heat here too much to cause damage to this, so I'll try to be careful. All right, so this is that. The snag is in there. Now we're gonna try this. Turn the stove on. Okay, now you gotta work quickly. See, it's starting to melt already. Can't leave it there any length of time. Just show you what is happening already. It's very sensitive to heat. That's why you can use a heat gun and just get it on there. Not much longer. And this turned out to be the perfect size. Okay, not bad. And it's kind of hot, yeah. I want to get down here, but the white plastic is beginning to melt, so I don't want to get it worse than it is. Totally using the wrong tools. I just want to get the back of it. This is hot. Alright, so I just messed it up a little bit, but I burned the wire a little bit. So that's it. So that should protect that snag, so you won't need to buy a new cable anytime soon. Alright, so I'm going to come back and do my Mac charger in another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.